How to complete identity verification on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through on how we can complete our identity verification on TikTok. So if you are also wondering on how you can do that, these are the processes we follow up and you should be able to complete your verification on TikTok. So first of all, head over and open up your TikTok account on your device, and once you are logged in, you can just head over to your profile page at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you reach over here, tap on the three horizontal and the lines at the top right corner of the screen, and then head over to settings and privacy. Once you reach over here, go to your account and you will be taken to this page. So the next step, what we are going to do is head over to switch to business account, and we're going to complete the verification process by switching our account to business. So just go ahead and tap on next, tap on next again, read every terms and conditions, tap on continue, and you can select the category of your account, tap on next again. And in order to continue with the process, you need to add your email. So just go ahead and add the email and tap on add. Otherwise you can skip as well. For now I'm skipping, and that is now. And your account has been changed into a business account. Once you have filled up your business account, you're gonna go ahead and tap on the menu bar again and head over to Business Suite and open up the settings on your screen. And once you reach over here, you're gonna look out for this option called Need Help. And once you tap on Need Help, you will be reaching to the section of Report a Problem. You're gonna look out for this option called Blue Verification Badge Account. So you can just go ahead and tap on it. And once you reach over to this space right here, you can look up for the process right here. So here you will be finding a paragraph about what a verification badge is and how you can get it. You can just go ahead and read this and follow up the process, and you should be able to get a verification badge on your TikTok account as well. So that is how you can complete up your identity verification on TikTok by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.